Let's start with the industry's first bowling alley at sea. This 4-lane, 10-pin alley promises to be a big hit, based on our short cruise. The Bliss Ultra-Lounge, the location of the bowling alley, has many TVs for sports watching by day and music video watching by night. Bowling is one of those multi-generational activities that passengers of mixed talents can bowl together and have a great time. We had smooth seas on our cruise, so we didn't get to see how much the wave action would affect the bowling scores. It certainly would not have hurt mine. The Norwegian Pearl features the cruise line's first rock climbing wall. Located at the back of the ship's funnel, the wall stands 30 feet high and is 19 feet wide, with 5 different vertical courses, each of varying difficulty. For those looking for indoor exercise, the Norwegian Pearl's fitness center on Deck 12 has floor-to-ceiling windows and many of the latest workout machines. You can work out and enjoy the seascapes. The ship also has exercise classes and a sports deck with a basketball, volleyball, and paddle tennis court. The sports deck has 2 life-size outdoor chess boards, 2 golf driving nets, deck games, shuffleboard, and a walking/jogging track. After exercising, passengers can check out the numerous boutiques located on Deck 7 or the casino of Deck 6. Alternatively, passengers can enjoy the hot tubs, the swimming pool, or the delightful sunbeds on the pool deck. There is always something to keep you busy on the Norwegian Pearl, but only if you wish.